right, so I have it open. Open the box up. I have to show matters on the box, you know what I mean? Just for privacy reasons, I respect that. We got the nice little, it's nice and wrapped. You can see that. We have our envelopes here, which is really nice. And then we have our cards. These things are nice. I like them. They're good quality. You can see the bin too. It's really nice too because it has that little bin right there. So you can go ahead and fold it, but look at the card. Came out nice and clean. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. With love, RJ and Giles and Biggie and George. And look at the little footprints for my dogs. Let me share this with my girlfriend, see her reaction when I share it with her. So I'll let her open it so you can see, get that reaction, see what she thinks. All right, so go ahead and open it. What do you think? They don't feel cheap, huh? Feel nice? Like flop it, like, yeah. See the...
Sure, but you fold it.
Go ahead, fold it. How you would do it. Boom. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year with love. Merry Christmas 2025, Martinez family, from our home to yours. All right, there are a few things I want to point out. Look at the paper finish, how glossy it is. Look up close on that. See that? Pretty clean. And then you just look at the gloss as I'm turning it. You can see all the gloss on it and the finish of it's nice. The cut, I like how it had that little indent right there. So when you fold it, you can see how we folded it. The cut, everything is nice, crisp, clean. This is like one of those high quality ones that you get at the store and you pay a premium price for. So this is like a premium card sent to my front door, but just thinking about it as the customer, how they're going to receive it. One thing I always recommend is when it comes to anything like this, and Gelato, order the product. I order this from Gelato, and the thing that I recommend is order the product just to test it out, to see how it is, see how the print is, the quality, and because you want to make a good impression with yourself. This is the same thing that your customer is getting, right? If the customer is getting this and you think it's a really good product, you get a feel for it and how they get it. Putting yourself in the customer's shoes is very important. This is a good quality product that made me smile when I opened it, and I felt like this is made personally for me, but everything else, there's no complaints whatsoever. Now, the next thing is the envelope. It's a simple envelope, right? But let's go ahead and put this inside of the envelope just to give you an idea of how it's going to fit. There it goes. Of course, putting things in tight spots is a struggle sometimes. You can see how it just folds into the envelope really nicely. Boom, you put your information here, and look at that. There's a total of 10 of them, so there comes a total of 10 envelopes, which is really nice. I think it's really awesome, and give you an idea too. Here's another one. Let's grab them all. You're gonna see them all right here. These ones are not folded yet, but they all have the end. And then the one thing I wanted to test too, as far as, let me spill a little water on one of these just to give you an idea. All right, so I have this Christmas card. I'll spill a little bit of water on one of these corners. Try not to mess it up just in case it messes up. You see, got water here, a little bit of water. Please try not to spill too much, RJ. Come on. All right, come on. Yeah. Okay, so I got water on it right there. See that? Yeah. That is a corner. Like sometimes you spill stuff, it gets the corners a little wet, so you can see that it's wet. You can see the water spilled on the actual table itself. Give me a few minutes, let that dry up and see how it does. I'm just curious to see. Put it to the test for if you spill something on it. So you never know. Obviously, if you smear like all over it, that's a tough one. We'll see how this dries up. Let's see. All right, give it a few minutes, right? Now you're gonna see it's still a little wet, but it held up pretty good. So that's a good thing, right? It's not messing up the design at all. I did submerge it for a bit, right? Obviously, it's gonna soak up more. So it seems like if I spilled water on it and then I dried it off real fast, I did a pretty good job at holding it. Look at it. See, it's still a little wet, as you can see, but it's doing pretty good at holding. All right, so I'm logged in the back of the Gelato, my Gelato account. So when you compare like the Christmas card, right, and you're looking at this and you're looking at the mock-up, it's pretty good, pretty identical. You see this, and then you get it physically in your hand. They go hand in hand pretty good. Look how clean that is. Really nice. Good product, solid. I want you to keep in mind your price point. If you're selling them on a different marketplace, the price is gonna fluctuate. You wanna find that sweet spot. You're selling 10 of these premium quality cards. These will easily go anywhere between $20 to $30 easily. Now, the higher the price point, the more personalized you are with the card, the higher the price point. If you're designing Christmas cards for a family member, you can charge $25 and they'll pay that all day. $30, they'll pay it all day. Depends what they want you to do. Now, see how custom I did this, right? Look how custom this is. Look how clean that is. That's the back. You can put the name, you're doing the pictures, like all that right there. These are easy sell right here because the more, the easier it is for you to actually sell the product. Okay, so understand that. Understand who's buying it. what you can do for them, or if you're selling on a marketplace like Etsy or Amazon, think about how custom you can be with the actual card itself. It can be a Halloween card, Thanksgiving card, it can be a Christmas card, it can be a birthday card, any type of special event, Halloween party, anything like that. If this is money and sending this out to people, or people ordering it so they can send it out to people, it's definitely a good thing, because you can customizing Christmas cards. That's cool. It's really cool. Okay. So I just want to show you that. You can look at the mock-up that we had here, and the whole process of me doing that too. I'll have a video up here or down below in the description where you can see the whole process, because I designed this whole thing with AI. Okay. And I just got the inspiration, the idea, and then boom, I brought it to life. So started with AI and to get inspiration, researching on Etsy. There's a whole process to this. It took a little bit to understand what I was doing. And I was like, all right, this is good. And I shared it with my girlfriend to give her understanding what I'm doing. And it all came together really cool. Hopefully you like the idea and the concept, and hopefully you can create something like this for yourself too. If you want to create your own gelato style Christmas card, I'm going to have my link down below in the description. You get 50% off your first order if you want to do a test run and see how these print out for yourself. I really don't have nothing bad to say about this. There was one little mistake that I made as far as like understanding the foil part of it. I need to go back and research that. They have a whole guide about that. So I ended up doing this with no foil. They offer different colors for that too. I had picked gold, but I didn't do it correctly, so I had to go back. I just did nothing at all just to get the card here so I can make this video for you. And I think it's really cool. Okay, so nothing bad to say. The pros of everything that's good about this, the finish on it doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels like a high quality. The customization that was done to it, really nice, front and back. And then you can see this is the inside, right? The actual envelopes are pretty basic envelopes. And then the fold, I like that little indent right there so you can fold it. It makes it easier for you if you're folding it out. I know that when you're folding the Christmas card, it can be a little hectic getting it the correct fold, and you want to be all sloppy. That's really cool. I know that mostly people leave this part blank. If you want to do something right here, I feel like you can do that too, just to be a little bit more customization with it. But as far as everything else, I want you to think about how you can sell this. If you're getting inspiration, you see this, you want to see how the Christmas card came out from Gelato, and you plan on ordering it just for yourself and send out to friends and family, I would recommend you do that just to test it out. If you plan on selling it later on, like on Etsy, Amazon, your own website, or Facebook Marketplace, that'll be a good idea. Just put something up there you can customize for people in your community. You can do that and leverage Facebook capabilities and hit everyone in your local area, and you can create customized cards. You can charge them $25 to $30 depending on what they want done to it. It's a good idea too. And other than that, highly recommend it. And if you want to see how I actually created this Christmas card, watch this video right here. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out. And my Gelato link is going to be down below in the description.